Okay, so let's take a look at this question. So differentiate y equal to 2x plus 1 bracket to about 7 bracket 2 minus x squared with respect to x. So how do I do this type of question? So first thing always, okay, so for this is also product differentiation. So first you must always think of differentiate, keep, plus keep, differentiate. So if you look at the first term, right, the red color one, 2x plus 1 bracket to about 7. So you differentiate this first. So first you bring down the power 7. Then you power minus 1, 6. Then don't forget to differentiate inside, which is you differentiate 2x, you will get 2. Differentiate 1, you will get 0. So that's why I put 2 only. Okay, then after that, right, don't forget to add in the second. But the second bracket, don't do anything because you keep. So you keep, you just put like that. Okay, then you always add a plus sign. Next part will be the 2x plus 1 bracket to the power 7. So you keep this, then you differentiate the second term. When you differentiate the second term, okay, you can actually do this. So for example, right, okay, so we know that this 1. So okay, 1 you bring down. Then after that, 2 minus x squared bracket. So power minus 1 minus 1 is 0. So we know that this whole thing, anything to about 0 must be 1. Right? So meaning that this whole thing will be gone. So next part you must do is to differentiate whatever you see inside here. So meaning that you want to differentiate 2 minus x squared. So you differentiate 2, you'll get 0. You differentiate minus x squared, you'll get negative 2x, then close bracket. So every time you see like a bracket to the power of 1, you just need to differentiate inside can already. Because you differentiate the whole thing, the bracket 1 will just become 1. Okay, after that, you will need to simplify. So simplify meaning that, okay, so, for the first thing, right, 7 times 2, 14. So the red bracket is something like this. Then after that, square bracket plus. So next part will be, okay, the minus 2x I put in front. So you get minus 2x, red bracket, 2x plus 1, the whole thing to the power of 7. Right? Okay, next part will be the factorization part. Because if you just leave it like that, you will not get the full credit. You will get partial credit, not the full credit. So what you need to do is to do the factorization. Alright? Okay, so you look at this, right? There is a few things to factorize out. First, you can factorize out the bracket here, right? Okay, always take out the smallest power, meaning you take out 6. The next thing that you can factorize out is the 2. Because you notice one thing, right? Here is 14, here is 2x. You can take out 2 because there's a common factor of 2. So you take out 2, you take out the bracket 2x plus 1 bracket to about 6. Okay, so after that, right, you look at the first. So what is left for the first thing is 7. Then the 2 minus x squared bracket. The next part, you look at the second group, right? So which is here. You'll see that the first will be negative x. Then what is left for the bracket? Because c is 7, I take out 6 already. So what is left is 2x plus 1 bracket to the power of 1. Close square bracket. Okay, after that, you simply just continue on. So it's equal to 2x plus 1, 6, right? Okay, square bracket, you factorize, you expand here. And then for the negative x, you expand inside. Okay, so for the first rainbow, right, 7, okay, 7 times 2, 14, 7 minus x squared minus 7 x squared. Then this part, right, minus x times 2x is negative 2x squared. Then minus x times positive 1 is minus x. Then put a square bracket. Okay, after that, you simplify whatever that's inside the square bracket, which is this minus this, right? So it's equal to, so these two things is negative 9x squared. Alright, so of course, minus x plus 14. So what is left is 2 bracket 2x plus 1 bracket to the power 6. Then you square bracket, negative 9x squared minus x plus 14. Then put a square bracket. So that's it. Of course, you see whether the square bracket, right, can you do your quadratic factorization. If you want to do a quadratic factorization, go ahead. But I think this is good enough already. Right? So that is how you do your product rule differentiation.